Hi, everybody. It's Adam with HeartValveSurgery.com, and this is a special patient update about Bono. As you may know, U2's lead singer revealed in the first chapter of his new book, Surrender, that Bono underwent an urgent aortic valve replacement and aneurysm surgery in 2016 at Mount Sinai Health in New York City, New York. Bono's surgery was performed by none other than Dr. David Adams, who's a longtime supporter and friend of the HeartValveSurgery.com community. And I have been very lucky to go on medical missions with Dr. Adams in places like the Dominican Republic. You should know that U2 is my favorite band. And many patients in our community have had questions about Bono's heart. So to check in on Bono, the HeartValveSurgery.com team traveled to Las Vegas, Nevada, where U2 had kicked off the first ever residency at the new MSG Sphere. And while we were unable to get a comment from Bono about his heart, we were able to collect some evidence that Bono's heart is doing pretty darn good.
Welcome to Actung Baby at the Sphere.
It's alright, it's alright, it's alright. She moves in mysterious ways.
As I said, Bono's heart is doing pretty good. Or Larry David might say it like,
Pretty good.
Yeah,
that was insane.
Oh, yeah.
on behalf of heart valve patients and U2 fans all over the world, many thanks to Dr. David Adams at Mount Sinai Health for taking such great care of Bono, and to Bono, as we say to all of our patient success stories here at HeartValveSurgery.com, keep on ticking. Hi, everybody, it's Adam. I hope you enjoyed that video. And don't forget, you can always subscribe to our YouTube channel. Watch the next 2 educational videos coming up on your screen, or click the blue button to visit HeartValveSurgery.com.